Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to discuss about some paid versus free editing software for you for your PC. So you can see in here type of editing, free software and paid software. For image editing, free software will be GIMP, Paint.net and PixLR. Paid software, Adobe Photoshop, Affinity Photo, Corel Paint Shop Pro. For video editing, DaVinci Resolve, Shortcut, Kdenlive. Paid software, Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut, Avid Media Composer. Audio editing, free software, Audacity, GarageBand for Mac, Ocean Audio, Adobe Audition, FL Studio, Pro Tools. Text editing, Notepad++, Sublime Text, Atom. Paid software, Microsoft Word, Adobe InDesign, Scrivener. Document writing, LibreOffice Writer, OpenOffice Writer, Google Docs. Microsoft Word, Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. 3D modeling, Blender, FreeCAD. Paid software, Autodesk Maya, 3ds Max, Cinema 4D. So guys, this is the list of our free and paid editing software for you. I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.